Hey guys, this is not just a normal USB flash drive. Inside this tiny device is a fully isolated AI agent that can learn and improve over time. And yes, I'm talking about Hermes Agent Portable Edition, a complete cross-platform AI setup that can run on Windows, Linux, and Mac directly from a USB drive. And compared to OpenClaw, Hermes feels much faster, smoother, and more responsive. The more you use it, the more personalized it becomes. And I got a lot of comments on my OpenClaw video asking for this setup. So here we go. You plug your USB into a Windows machine, and it can search the web, write code, run Python scripts, and learn custom skills. You unplug the drive, walk over to a Mac, run the launch.sh file, and boom, your entire AI workspace is already there waiting for you. Same chats, same memory, and same API keys. Everything exactly the way you left it. And if you move to Linux, it works there too. Just open the launcher file and continue exactly where you left off. No setup and no reinstalling. Just plug it and run it. And the best part is, it runs on almost any storage device. A USB flash drive, external SSD, hard drive, or even an internal drive. Building this setup took a lot of time and effort, so if you found this interesting, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's actually set this thing up. So first, grab a decent USB drive or an SSD. A faster drive will make the setup feel much smoother. Now make sure to format your drive as exFAT. This is important because exFAT works properly across Windows, Linux, and Mac. Once that's done, head over to the GitHub repo using the link in the description. I'd recommend quickly reading the README file first so you understand how everything works. Then simply download the setup zip file. Once downloaded, move the zip file to your drive where you want this setup, and then extract it as well. Inside the folder, you'll see files like launch.bat for Windows and launch.sh for Linux and Mac. Now, if you're on Windows, simply open the launch.bat file. On the very first launch, the setup will automatically start downloading everything it needs, including the portable Python runtime, Node.js, required packages, and the Hermes agent files themselves. So just wait for it to finish. The speed mainly depends on your internet and storage drive. And yeah, the setup is now complete, but as you can see, Hermes still isn't configured yet. So first, I'm going to close the terminal and launch the launcher file again. And there we go. As you can see, the launcher opens instantly because everything is now stored directly on the drive itself. Now press 2 to start setting up Hermes. The first time you run this, it may take a few seconds, so just wait for it to finish. Once the setup screen appears, you can leave most of the options as default, and continue. Now it's going to ask for your AI provider. You can choose whichever one you prefer, but I'm going with DeepSeek because it's insanely cheap and still really powerful. So I'll select DeepSeek and paste in my API key. Next, it'll ask for the model. If you're using DeepSeek, I'd recommend going with the V4 Pro model. After that, we need to set up the messaging platform. Hermes supports platforms like Discord, WhatsApp, Signal, Telegram, and more. But for this setup, I'm going with Telegram because it's simple and works really well. So let's create a Telegram bot for Hermes. Open Telegram and search for Botfather. This is the official Telegram bot used to create and manage bots. Here, click on Create a new bot. Now enter a name for your bot. Then choose a unique username that ends with bot. Once the bot is created, Telegram will give you a bot token. Just copy it and paste it into the Hermes terminal. Next, we need to add your Telegram user ID so the bot only responds to your account. So open Telegram and search for user infobot. Open the bot, press start, and then click on your profile. It will instantly return your user ID. Just copy that ID and paste it into the Hermes terminal. Once that's done, keep pressing enter to continue with the default options. And there we go. Hermes is now fully configured. So let's open the Hermes chat. I'll choose option 1 and press enter. And yep, Hermes is finally here. Let's quickly test it out. I'll just send a simple hey message. And yeah, everything is working perfectly. Now let's test the Telegram bot as well. At first, the bot wasn't replying at all. So instead of manually debugging everything, I asked Hermes itself to figure out the issue. After checking the configuration, Hermes found that there were actually two Telegram user IDs configured, which was blocking the bot from responding properly. So I asked Hermes to fix it, and within a few seconds, it automatically corrected the configuration. And yep, the Telegram bot was working perfectly too. Now let me ask Hermes which operating system it's currently running on. So yeah, it correctly detects that we're running on Windows right now. Hermes can even access and understand your entire system. To prove that, I asked it to summarize the root folder of my computer. And yeah, it instantly scanned the directory and gave me a proper breakdown of the folder structure. Now, if you want to stop Hermes, just press 3, it will stop running in the background. And whenever you want to start it again, simply press 3 once more, and Hermes will be back online instantly. Alright, now I'll unplug the drive from Windows and connect it to my Linux machine. So here's the exact same Hermes Portable Setup. I'll just run the launch.sh file inside the terminal. Since this is the first time running it on Linux, it will automatically download the portable Node.js runtime and a few other Linux-specific files. And yes, Hermes is ready to go. And the best part is, it's already configured with DeepSeek from our Windows setup, so we can start using it immediately without setting everything up again. Let me open the Hermes chat and quickly test it out. And there we go. The exact same setup from Windows is working here on Linux too. Now let's test the Telegram bot as well. I'll ask the same question again. Which operating system are you running on? But before doing that, we need to start a fresh conversation. So I'll run /new to create a new chat. And yep, there we go. Hermes correctly detects Ubuntu LTS, which is exactly what this Linux machine is running. Now let's push it a little further and ask Hermes to summarize the root folder as well. And yes, Hermes instantly scans the system and gives a proper breakdown of the Linux root directory structure. Now let's try the same setup on macOS. Here is the exact same Hermes portable folder. I'll open the terminal, run the launch.sh file, and since this is the first time running on macOS, Hermes will automatically download the portable macOS runtime files it needs. And yes, our same Hermes setup is ready here too. Now I'll start the gateway to bring Hermes online. Now let's test the Telegram bot here on macOS as well. I'll ask the exact same question again. Which operating system are you running on? And yep, Hermes correctly detects macOS instantly. Now let me ask it to summarize the root folder too. And once again, Hermes properly understands the macOS file structure without any issue. So yeah, that's Hermes Agent Portable Edition. One portable AI workspace that works across Windows, Linux, and macOS without reinstalling everything again and again. If you want to try it yourself, the full setup files and GitHub repo are linked in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.